Hello, hello. This is Debbie Drum, and welcome to another session of Passive Income with Content. In today's session, I'm going to share with you how I build journals in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is one of my favorite tools to actually design not only journals, but different types of books and workbooks, printables. If you are on YouTube, go ahead, please like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a session. It's all about PowerPoint, and this whole thing revolves around my deal this week. And if you don't have PowerPoint, you can do everything you're going to see here in Google Slides. So Google Slides has really improved over the years. It's almost exactly the same as PowerPoint. I use Office 365, so I get the latest and the greatest of Microsoft. That's why I like it, and it's only $99 per year. If you use the tool a lot, which I do, it definitely doesn't break the bank, and you should get a return on your investment. So you see here on this page, this is one of my templates that I offer. I have about 81 templates that I'm throwing in with this deal here, along with some really cool life-changing training. What I'm going to do is kind of sift through these and show you what some of these templates look like. And these are examples of different templates that you can put in a journal or a planner, and they're quite easy to make and edit in PowerPoint. You can do different colors. You can use PowerPoint's templates that they have alongside the templates that I give. So pretty much the gist of all these templates are to make your content interactive. You want people to be able to write content on your pages. You want people to check things off, maybe fill things out, maybe answer questions, maybe draw. Okay, so that's the whole idea behind your content being interactive. See, here we got things that people can fill in, their to-do list. So you can make entire books just like to-do lists. You get the point here. So I'm just going to escape out of this for a minute. All right, so if I go to File, Page Setup, these templates are in a 6x9 sizing, but you can make your journals 8.5 by 11 in any different size that you want. The popular size is 6x9, but most people don't know that you can actually change the size of your PowerPoint slide. It's not just a horizontal, or I should say just a rectangular box, which is typical when you open up PowerPoint, right? So this is a 6x9 document here. And all these templates can be, resized to a bigger format. If you want a bigger book, you might have to tweak it a little bit. See here, we have a little thing. We just move it up. Boom. That's it. And everything is editable. And that's how you would edit these templates. You can actually go ahead down here. I was showcasing to somebody else how to make lines the other day. And if you're curious about how to make lines, all you need to do is put your cursor right there and go to Shift Dash, and it goes ahead and makes beautiful lines here. And you can play around with the spacing, So if you wanted to go ahead and have some lines, and maybe go ahead and insert. So let's see, thought of the day. There you go. Boom, boom. And that could be a page in your journal. It's pretty easy to do, and it's fun. You can take parts of other parts of the template here and put it in a new page. So let me see if this would work. If I just Control copy that and put that down here. here we go. Nonetheless, we could, mix and match from different parts of the other templates and stick them in here. And that's why I really love PowerPoint, because as you can see, if you want to go ahead and put in any shape that you want, we have a circle here, right? And there's no restrictions. If we wanted to put the circle here, we could put the circle here. In Microsoft Word, because there are so many issues with like the margins, you can't always do that. You don't have the liberty to put things anywhere like you do on PowerPoint. Everything, even from this shape here, is editable, right? So we can fill the shape with orange. We could reorder objects. We can write text in this shape if we wanted to. There's so many things that we can do. What I also love about the newer PowerPoint is that they have suggested designs too. So let's say you wanted to, if you design a slide or a page, they may give you a suggestion that you actually like better. So if I click on this, it creates kind of like a nice little, I don't know where they even got this guy from, but there we go. It creates some suggestions for you. And I actually, even for my PowerPoint that I designed for presentations and things like that, I end up taking one of their design ideas and using it because they make things easier. So for this one, let's just get like this background here with the different shades of gray and black. I really wouldn't really know how to do that, how to do a background like that, or it would take me long, but it automatically just gives me some suggestions, and I would probably never use this black on black, but just to give you an idea, this is what the newer kind of Microsoft 365 does for you. It makes you, if you're like a really bad designer like I am, I'm not really that good at design, even though I've tried sometimes, it doesn't work for me. So miracles of technology, however they do it, they give you a lot of suggestions. So this is why I love to create things in PowerPoint. So I wanted to switch over to Google Chrome here and show you my deal here that I have going on. This is what I call low content live. I'm going to be showing you in 4 live sessions how I go about making a complete journal, and it's going to be live. And if you miss the live sessions, you'll get the replay in the members area, but I would love it if you can come live because you can ask questions and stuff and interact with me. So session 1, we're going to be talking about the topic selection, niche validation, and templates. That just means that, how to choose a good topic for your journal. The thing that I like about the journal creation is that it's not a lot of work. So even if you mess up and you don't choose the best topic, or you want to play around in a topic that you're not quite sure of, then it's okay because you're not really doing a lot of work. And also it's a numbers game too. So that's just another journal that you would have put out that's underneath your passive income with content umbrella. If you publish 9 journals and the 10th one is a home run, there's your numbers right there, right? But I do want you to be thinking of things that you can do correct right from the start. Session 2 is going to be the front cover, the back cover, the description, and the title, everything to sell your book. Session 3 is actually the upload process to Amazon. And session 4 is we can go ahead and tie up any loose ends, anything I forgot to add, questions, I'll answer them there. Really cool. And as you can see here, even though I am demoing PowerPoint, I am including this cool journal software that is included, and it's more of like, has like 25 templates in there, and you can make journals really, really quickly without having to go through. Like, if you wanted to be more creative and hands-on with your journal, maybe go ahead and use the PowerPoint. If you just wanted to make a quick journal and see how it is and publishing and get it up on Amazon, use the software or use both, whatever. Because I'm also including the 81 unique PowerPoint templates in here as well. what I might do is include a demo of this tool here on this page here. But yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun, and I would love to see you inside devdrum.com/get deals. This is a deal indeed, because I really wanted to be charging $247 for this, so it is deeply discounted right now in this this deal for you for the holiday season. And whenever you're watching this, it'll probably always be a pretty good deal, because that's what I do for you. But I really want you to learn the whole process of creating journals, any which way to get them out. I spoke last week, I think, or a couple weeks ago, about Barnes & Noble, how they have a huge section now of things that are not just books that they sell, and they must have had over 100 journal choices. And if you can make your journal interactive, meaning that you take somebody through a process, and that's that other bonus that I wanted to share with you. Why isn't it on here? Am I crazy? I'm nuts. But I will put it on right after this, but it is the journal that I'm going to be demoing before your very eyes live. Is actually a journal that can potentially change your life. It has changed my life, and that's why I wanted to make a journal out of it. So you get kind of like a quadruple whammy, because not only get the live sessions, you get the software, you get the PowerPoint, and you also get how the thought process behind a life-changing journal. Because for those of you who don't know and don't journal, journals can literally be life-changing. I was totally not a journal person before I started and realized the power of journaling. And once you do, and you'll realize why people love them so much and why people consume so many of them. So that's at devdrum.com/get deals. Thankfully, my dogs quieted down. So thank you for sharing your time with me. That's our 20 minutes. Actionable, take action. We're going to be starting our live sessions here soon. You'll see when it starts when you get inside. All right. I will see you on the next live session. Cheerio.